In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale MidJourney images. We'll walk through the exact process inside Discord, from writing a prompt to selecting the right upscale option so you can get a higher resolution version of your favorite result with crisp details and cleaner edges. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or mobile device. You can use the app or the web version. Both work the same for this. Make sure you're in a space where you can comfortably view images and buttons beneath them, since that's where you'll interact with the results. Next, open a direct conversation with the MidJourney bot. You'll typically find it in your direct messages list. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to locate the bot and open the chat. The key here is to be in the bot's message thread, so your prompt goes straight to MidJourney and returns the image grid you can work with. Now type your prompt in the message box and press enter. Be as specific as possible about the subject, style, lighting, mood, and any key details you care about. For example, describing the environment, camera angle, texture, or level of realism can help the model deliver results closer to your vision. If you're aiming for fine detail, clarity in your wording really helps. Keep an eye on the progress updates that appear as the image is being generated. After a short moment, you'll see a 2x2 grid with 4 image options. When the grid appears, look at the buttons beneath it. You'll see U1, U2, U3, and U4. The letter U stands for upscale. Each number corresponds to a position in the grid. Top left is U1, top right is U2, bottom left is U3, and bottom right is U4. Click the U button that matches the version you like best. Upscaling tells MidJourney to take that specific image and produce a larger, sharper, more detailed version of it. If you love more than one, you can upscale multiple images. Just click each U button you want, one at a time. After you click, give it a moment to process. The bot will post the upscaled image right below the grid. You'll notice improved resolution and refined details, which is perfect for sharing, presenting, or using in your projects. If you ever feel unsure about the grid positions, glance at the previews and match them to the U buttons by position. That's it. Open Discord, message the MidJourney bot, enter your prompt, and choose U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale your favorite result. Follow these steps and you'll consistently get cleaner, higher resolution images with minimal effort.